Hey, lovely mommy, how are you, lovely friend? Let's talk about you beginning to end. Sometimes you're happy and you hug, you're so happy today. Sometimes you're sad and you cry like a rain, don't be sad. Sometimes you're angry and you want to scream, don't be angry. Sometimes you're scared and you fear a lot, don't be scared. And sometimes you're surprised, you cannot believe it, you are surprised. And sometimes you're excited, you just cannot wait it, you are excited. And sometimes you're tired, you just want to sleep, you are so tired. And sometimes you're curious, you just want to know, you are so curious. And always, always you feel loved, you love, you feel loved. That was great. Now you know my mommy, my best friend. I love to share with you because you are my friend, beginning to end. Toddler in action is the learning interaction. Subscribe to our channel and learn with us.